Disclaimer. Hello everyone, and for this video, let's take a look at Bird's first Beyblade in the Beyblade X animation. This Beyblade is known as Strike Hawk. It is a retooling, and by retooling I mean they basically just gave it a different sticker on Wizard Arrow, but he uses this in the animation. The other parts he has on this is 480 low flat. Now, thanks to the talented Crimson Curse Customs, I was able to actually have this blade in hand and then customize it with my spare parts. I highly recommend you check out Crimson Curse Customs store. They do wonderful custom Beyblade X blades with either cool stickers or cool paint jobs. Well, obviously you might think, what about the price? Listen, to make custom stuff like this takes a lot of work and time to get those assets, so I do recommend it. It's a pretty good service for what they offer, and links in the description below. So originally I was going to try to do something interesting with this with Bird, but then I thought, well, there's not really much I wanted to do with it. Like, was I going to make a battle against all the hammers? No. What we're going to do is, because Carlo Marco in the Beyblade X animation uses this bay, I thought, why not try to make a battle against his past opponents? So Bird is the bait for the thumbnail. We're doing the Carlo marathon. I just want to have a, little bit of a nice look at this thing. So obviously this is the custom that they did. They have the little white gear chip there, and then after the Strike Hawk from the anime, there's a nice little shine. This is literally just Wizard Arrow, but it's kind of cool to have this, and actually like a proper custom too, so that's pretty exciting just to have, but yeah. Other than that, I'll just show the other stuff. So obviously it's just the blade itself that I got. I'm just going to be taking this like 480 that I have and low flat that I personally own, and then after just putting it on there. But I thought this was kind of fun, because like the anime stuff, it's like they're basically just reusing regular blades, and if Takara Tomy isn't going to release it, at least you can count on Crimson to actually have this. Well, hey, look at that, 32.21. I'll take it 6.96, and look at this, 2.13. So together, looking at about 41.29 grams. Obviously, there's like different bolts or whatever on this to hold the blade. Yeah, this is kind of neat. I'm very curious, because it's such an odd combination to have, but maybe it'll do something. Let's find out. So, starting us off, we have Strike Hawk, and just to show this off, all right, let's do a test launch. 3, 2, 1, let rip. Okay. Well, close enough. Anyways, we're gonna do our challenges. So I'm joined here by the blader that is my mother. We'll try to go up against any of Carlo Marco's opponents. So we'll try to go against Common X. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, let rip. Okay, so first round goes to Drawn Dagger. 3, 2, 1, rip. Wow, Drawn Dagger with an extremely finish. 3, 2, 1, rip. Okay, I almost flew. And now I died by burst. So Drawn Dagger gets the first set. Wowee, isn't that? 3, 2, 1, rip. I'm afraid if I launch too hard, I'm just gonna get a self-extreme.
I don't know.
I feel like I need to now. Oh no, I got a spin finish, so I guess it didn't matter. 3, 2, 1, rip. Oh my god, it's a KO. I'm coming back.
No, you're not.
3, 2, 1, rip. I have 3 points leading on here. I just need one more, and then I get my set.
Yeah, I hope you don't.
Well, let's see.
Just really hope you don't.
Okay, well, you and the viewer is gonna be an unfortunate. Never mind.
Yeah, unfortunate you're going down.
3, 2, 1, rip. Don't lose.
He will lose, he will.
Fuck, man, I can't win.
Okay, well, you lost. 3, 2, 1, rip. So, a KO right away. No time to live at all. Strike Hawk already defeated. That's insane. But 3, 2, 1, rip.
Just want to see it again and again.
Well, you may have 2 points, but I'll be leading on with this stamina.
It means 3 points. Oh, 2 points.
3, 2, 1, rip.
Yeah!
Next up is Hell's Chain. Let's see if we can beat Bird.
I don't know.
3 down the rip. Okay, this is,
Embarrassing.
no. It's just crazy because you're gonna lose.
Okay.
Look at that. I outspin you
I don't know. Okay, very good.
by a lot. 3 down the rip. Oh, that's okay, that's okay, that's okay.
Obviously, it's okay. It's awesome.
Okay, it's
More
1 to
and
2.
more.
1 to 2.
Yeah, yeah.
3 down the rip.
Oh!
Yep. 3 to 2. 3 down the rip. 3 down the rip. I don't even listen. This is accurate to the anime, so I guess we're getting pretty. I got already 2 points leading. How does it feel, bud? It's okay. It's okay. It's
We all made it.
down the rip. Starting off. Who will get the next set as we start off our other session? Okay, see, you're getting some points here. Look at that. 1 point is pretty good. 2 to 1. 3 down the rip. Sure. It's fine. 3 down the rip. Oh, wait.
Did I finally get one for me?
I think. Yeah, you did. Alrighty.
Awesome.
That means now, again, in the next set.
Who will win?
3 down the rip. 3 down the rip. Hey, I'm back!
Wow.
Strike Hawk! Come up!
No. That would be awesome if you win, but I hope not.
I probably won't.
Good.
Oh god.
Oh God, oh God.
God help me.
Go down faster. It's annoying.
2 down the rip.
Woo!
2 down the rip. Okay, yeah, no man, yeah, you got it. You're good, okay. Well, next up is Phoenix Wing. This is gonna be a tough. I need to be at least one of the heavy ones. If I can beat the heavy ones, I gotta get into it now. 3 down the rip. 3 down the rip. Strike Hawk! Oh god!
Oh, I almost went out.
Hey,
Good job.
1 point. 3 down the rip.
Wow!
3 to 1.
That was
3
bad
to 2.
to watch.
3 down the ship. Oh my god. This is it. My victory. Hey, you. 3 down the rip. I need this point. 3
Yeah.
down the rip.
Shut up.
Okay. I got it. now. I know
You
what I
got
win.
nothing,
I know
you
what I
got
win. I know what I
nothing.
win. Yeah.
Yeah.
3 down the rip.
The truth is, I'm a little bit nervous.
I know, because I'm gonna win. Look at that. It's already 3 points. Already 3 points. 3 down the rip. Okay, that's all right. 3 to 1. I'll take that.
301.
3 down the rip. 3 down the rip. Listen. He faced Chrome. I'm gonna prove that he could have beaten Chrome at the top of the Pendragon Tower, the top of the X Tower against Pendragon. 3 down the rip. Oh God. 3 down the rip. Strike Hawk. Walk it. I got it. I don't got it. I got it.
You got nothing.
I don't got nothing. Okay, I'm gonna get a crazy win in this next round. You're gonna love it.
I hope so.
We're just gonna do a bunch of rounds at this point because I already realized I lost by a lot. 3 down the shoot. Come on. Don't be afraid. Hey, yo. My B's going down. No, 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 no. Come on. Amazing. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Should we do another one? No, 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 no.
It counts, it counts.
Whatever. Hit the camera. Whatever. Yeah, get your rip. I can do this. The power of Strike Hawk. 3 down rip.
Got it.
3 down rip. Okay, 3 down. And that's it. 3, 2, 1, go! Good job, proud of you, amazing work. Alrighty, final thoughts. Yeah, I thought this was really fun just to do a video with this. I got basically all the anime ones thanks to them for the wonderful work that they did, so I'm very excited to actually just take a look at this and just kind of see, I don't know, what other content I can do. Plus, for future anime content, it's going to be good to rely on them in case they reuse any of the stuff, and it's really interesting to probably do. It's neat. It's neat. Plus, this is at least 2 bladers, so that's going to be fun, but, yeah. It is kind of funny when you think about it, because it's such a simple thing Takaratomi could do, which is just turn these things into like some random booster filler or whatever and just release it like that, but no, I guess not. Anyways, if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and comment your thoughts. And as well, mobays.com. We have Beyblade X products, Beyblade Burst products of the Japanese Beyblade products. It's an optional way to support the channel. I appreciate any support regardless. And with that being said, as we wrap up, that is it for the Strike Hawk video. I do have the other ones. Very excited to eventually get videos out on them. But yeah, thanks for watching. I want to say take care and bye. That'll be it for now. Peace.